In previous video we made hanging planters using plastic container, planted Hovatia succulent in that, and then finally this is how we displayed the planters. Now another way of using these hanging planters is by simply placing Kokedama plants in them. In my previous videos I showed how to make Kokedama in very simple way. I will give the link in description box. You may please watch that video. This is how you can display Kokedama plants using these hanging planters. The name of the plants which you are seeing here is spider. It is one of the air purifying plants. There are many kind of spider plants available. Very often people ask me how to know whether they are watering the plant less or more. In my experience, what I understood is, if the water is less in spider plant, the leaves gets folded and they become a kind of spiky. If water is more, the leaves turn yellow. Here you can see it very clearly that left side plant has enough water and right side in Kokedama there is less water. Can you make out that the leaves of spider plant in Kokedama regained its shape and color back? Because I watered the plant well. I think now both the plants on left and right side look the same. There is another way of displaying if you don't want to make this hanging planter. You can make hanging planters using a thread or any thick rope, but to create illusion of Kokedama plants hanging in the air, I am using plastic wire. Take 3 equal lengths of the thread and fold it at the center. Make a knot on the top. For the rest of the procedure, you may please watch the video. This is the effect of using plastic wire in place of colored thread to create the illusion of Kokedama hanging in the air. Okay, if you don't want to make Kokedama, still another way of displaying it. This is another way of making hanging planters. Here I am using a jute rope to go well with the coconut shells in which I am going to place the plants. This is the simplest way of making a hanging planter. Here I planted green rose succulents in the coconut shells and they belong to Echeveria family. A small suggestion before you start making these pyramid stands: make these stands in sizes so that they go inside one another. This makes the stands occupy less space while storing when they are not in use. Do you consider adding some knickknacks to the decor enhances the beauty? Here I tried my hand at making these pyramid lights. Simply by joining 3 paper triangles we can make these lights, and trust me, it works. Another way of joining these paper triangles is by using masking tape. In recent video, I added these beautiful marigold motifs to the decor which I made. Here I am sharing the tutorial of making these motifs, and I thank all the viewers for noticing and liking them. Nowadays, these ready marigold garlands are easily available everywhere. Sometimes the petals separate from the flower while taking out from the garland. In that case, just staple once to fix them. Cut a circle shape from the cardboard. You can purchase these ready jasmine flowers locally or anywhere. These are made with solar wood if I am not wrong. Stick them around the edge of circle cardboard using Fevicol. You can make these marigold motifs in other color also. To open the petals which fall flat sometimes, gently fluff them up with your fingers. these are the various ways of displaying the pyramid stands with different hanging planters. I hope that the tutorial was clear, but feel free to leave any questions for me. If you like the video, please do like, share, subscribe and press the bell icon to stay notified. See you soon in my next video. Thank you.